The Broad & Taylor SAHARA Folding Food Dehydrator is positioned as a premium, space-saving solution for serious home dehydrating. The listing I checked emphasizes a unique folding design that collapses to about a third of its operational size for storage, while delivering more than 11 square feet, almost equals 1 m squared, of dehydration surface when in use. It packs digitally controlled dual heaters, 700W total, automated dual-timed temperature controls that can run long cycles, stainless steel shelving, a washable air filter, quiet operation, and a washable filter to keep contaminants out of the airflow, a feature set you'd expect for a higher-end dehydrator intended for folks who preserve fruit, jerky, herbs, or meal prep at scale. The listing also mentions a multi-year warranty and advanced temperature time automation for better food preservation. In real-world performance, this dehydrator wins on capacity and build quality. Stainless steel shelves are more sanitary and durable than cheaper plastic trays, and the multi-stage drying controls make it easier to get consistent results with different foods, e.g., thicker cuts of meat versus thin fruit slices. The collapsible form factor solves the "where do I keep it?" problem for people with limited cabinet space. You get a big dehydrator without having to dedicate permanent storage space. Noise levels are generally low thanks to efficient airflow design, which is nice for overnight or long drying cycles. Pros: very large drying area in a foldable footprint, stainless steel shelves, automated dual-timed temperature controls, and washable filter for cleaner air. Cons: price is higher than basic tray dehydrators, and the larger capacity can be overkill for casual users who only dry small batches. If you want a high-capacity, durable dehydrator and appreciate advanced automated controls plus easy storage, the Broad & Taylor SAHARA is an excellent pick. We share by links in description box.